Right, so I've got this too good to go bag in his side. This is from WHSmith from Liverpool Lime Street. We've got a chicken and bacon Caesar tortilla wrap. 4 sandwiches in here it seems. BLT sandwich. Oh wait, more. Ham and cheese. Chicken and stuffing. Another chicken and stuffing. Eggs and bacon here. Oh goodness, sorry. Another eggs and bacon. Eggs and bacon here again. And a BLT. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That could be £8 to £16 depending on how expensive these sandwiches are. And if we're going to take into account this is either £2 or £4, then it's a good deal. We've saved around like £17 a tell from this, so that's great.